Welcome to my honest review of Wall of Traders, a leading trading bot platform designed for cryptocurrency traders. In this video, I'll guide you through the features and performance of the platform so you can decide if it's worth your time and investment. Wall of Traders is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface, making it appealing for both novice and experienced traders. The platform offers automated trading bots that work with various cryptocurrency exchanges to execute trades on your behalf, aiming to maximize profits with minimal effort. When you first log into Wall of Traders, you'll be greeted by a clean and straightforward dashboard that displays your current trading activity, account balance, and performance metrics. One of the standout features of Wall of Traders is its wide selection of trading strategies that you can customize based on your preferences. The platform offers preset strategies, but you can also create your own by adjusting various parameters, like risk levels and trade size. Many users appreciate the platform's ability to work with top exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and others, giving you flexibility in choosing where to trade. The bot does a good job of executing trades quickly and efficiently, which is essential in a fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. It also supports both long and short trading positions, allowing you to take advantage of market fluctuations in different directions. Another impressive feature of Wall of Traders is its detailed analytics section. It provides real-time performance tracking, including win rates, profit-loss ratios, and overall portfolio performance. This data is helpful in assessing the effectiveness of your chosen strategy and making adjustments if necessary. The platform also offers risk management tools, including stop-loss and take-profit features, to help protect your investment. While Wall of Traders offers a range of features, it's important to note that like any trading bot, it's not foolproof. Market conditions can change rapidly, and no bot can guarantee profits. However, if used correctly, Wall of Traders can be a useful tool for automating your trading strategies and saving time. Many useful links can be found in the description. If you're considering Wall of Traders for your trading needs, be sure to explore its features and test it with small investments before committing larger amounts. Always remember that automated trading involves risk, and it's crucial to stay informed about market trends. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. I'll be reviewing other trading bots and platforms soon, so stay tuned for more insights.